How to draw a pair of pearl earrings real easy. To draw a pair of drop earrings, let's start by drawing these little they're like an upside down C shape, aren't they? And a slight little curve there, and another similar one here. And this is a real exercise in trying to make two drawings pretty much the same. I think that's a bit wider already there. And then we want to draw these kind of drop pearl shapes like that, and it's really difficult to try and make them look almost identical shape. And then we're going to want to have a little kind of connector on the top like that, and then we're going to do, it's like a backwards question mark. We're going to go up and around and a hook, and then we want a little flick at the end as well, so this is where it kind of goes through the ear. And then that's going to go up and around there and flick. And as I said, it's really hard to get them to look like a pair and the same shape. Now what we're going to do is add a little bit of shading here. So these little bits will get smaller and smaller. So flick, 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 dot, dot. Let's put a little bit of highlight there. This is for the shininess. And then here we're going to carry on these little flicks all the way down. So this is adding shade to the whole thing. And as we come around to the bottom, just curve them around and then turn it into a dot at the end. So flick, 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 flick. You can take your time over this. It always looks better if you take your time. And we'll get down to the bottom there like that. And there you go, how to draw a pair of drop pearl earrings. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.